Hi, I'm JJ, and today we're going to be doing some velvet pancakes with butterscotch sauce. Recipe link down below at my website. Plain flour, 4 large eggs, 275ml of whole milk, 150ml of single cream, and a pinch of salt. Now add milk and cream. And add a pinch of salt. Whisk until smooth and fluffy. Then now you need to set aside for at least 2 hours. Get an adult to cook the pancakes. When bubbling, flip. For the sauce, take 4 tablespoons of golden syrup and 100 grams of butter and heat in a pan. Like and subscribe. The recipe is at jjcrafts.com. Thank you for watching.